c6 prepares for a quick d5 pawn push in the center. White develops the bishop and supports the center. A solid central advance that gains influence and restricts counterplay. The bishop is ready to be developed to an active square, developing the bishop and increasing influence in the center. A strong pawn push that confronts the center directly. This prepares the bishop for development. White develops the knight and supports the center, developing the knight and increasing influence in the center. With this move, White is now ready to castle on the queen side. This blocks the attack on a pawn that could have been captured. The queen is kicked by a pawn and must now move or be captured. This forces the opponent to double pawns, a straightforward recapture. Here, Black prepares to tuck the king safely on the queen side. A strong choice. Right on target. This is the strongest option. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade. This misses a better way to recapture a piece. This stops the opponent from being able to win a rook through a fork. This move steps the knight out of danger and keeps material balance. This calmly removes the rook from an immediate threat. This threatens to win a rook through a fork. This prevents the opponent from being able to win a rook through a fork. This calmly removes the knight from an immediate threat. This is an equal trade. A clear recapture. This is the only good move. This threatens to force an isolated pawn. This prevents the opponent from being able to force an isolated pawn. This forces the opponent to double pawns. A straightforward recapture. Castling gets the king out of the center of the board, while also developing a rook. A solid choice. A strong choice. Right on target. Black's knight has moved to a square with greater activity and control. This forces the opponent to get an isolated pawn on a semi-open file. That leaves a knight open to being captured. This captures a free knight. Recaptures, developing the knight and increasing influence in the center.